Good morning. We are here with Robert, and we have just closed on a property with him. Robert, we'd just like to ask you a few questions. First of all, why did you decide to sell the property as is?
Well, the main reason we decided to sell the property is that my wife and I wanted to get out of the rental business, and because it takes time and it takes money to maintain a rental property, so we got to the point in our lives that we no longer wanted to be in the business of renting
Right.
residential property.
That is totally understandable. And why did you decide to sell to us here?
Well, the main reason is because of the reputation that your company has. We decided to call, and we have a niece that also used you guys to sell their property, and you guys work diligently to move the process forward and complete the documents in order to complete the transaction.
That's great. We're so glad that you were able to get this done so quickly, and we're glad that you feel that way. How has your experience been throughout the whole transaction?
Our experience has been super fantastic. Your staff does an excellent job in communicating with us and keeping us informed of the process, and helped us navigate through the process to complete the transaction. So again, it was super fantastic.
That is great. We so appreciate that. And hopefully, you guys, if you have anything else we can help you with, we would be glad to do so.